Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install FundBox, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install FundBox, start by visiting the official FundBox website. Wait for the home page to load completely. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Ensure your password meets the security requirements. After filling in your details, click on the Continue button. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your business information. Enter your business name, address, and phone number as required. You may also need to select the type of business entity you operate. Once you've completed that section, move on to the financial details. Provide your banking information, which is needed for funding purposes. This might include the name of your bank and your account number. After entering your banking information, click Next to continue. The system may ask you to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the identity verification process. Once verified, you will be taken to your FundBox dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. You can explore different options for funding through this interface. If you need further assistance, visit the FundBox support page. You are now ready to start using FundBox for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.